Hi guys, it's Peyton here from Peyton's Place, and today I'm going to be opening this fake fidget package. I wanted to do it because I want to show you my fidgets. I put this on here. This is uncommon, is green. Common is pink. Rare is purple. Ultra rare is blue. The purple and the dark blue looks the same, but it's not. And legendary is yellow. And there's a Rubik's Cube right there and a little squishy or a dough ball. There's 6 inside, but there's one more inside, so that means there's 7. Guys, look, I'm magic. I can make scissors appear. Okay, here we go. You know what? Oh jeez, hopefully I do not ruin the stuff. Actually, it's probably all the way down there. I'm like, get this thing ruined. Jeez. Oh. Yep. There's many in there. First one I pulled out is purple. I gotta make sure I do not ruin this thing. It's gonna take me a while so I can get this out. Oh, there's some big ones. There's 2 commons, sadly. I don't know what that. Okay. I was like, never mind. It's like, never mind. Okay, last one. Legendary. So I threw this, but I need it, so, yeah. What should I open up first? I'm gonna open it up in order. Oh, green is first. Okay, here's green. Green is uncommon. Cat face. Oh, it's yellow. Nothing happened there. Oh, it's this yellow squishy that has this thingy on it. Really bobblehead. Hello. It's really squishy. Okay, next one. Which one's next? Common. Common. Okay, there's 2 commons. Okay. Let's open up this one. Oh, this one has a little. Oh, jeez. Okay. No, there's tape on it. Try not to rip it. Okay. So, I almost just threw this pink guy away. Sorry. This air ball. Oh, jeez. Only one standing. So this guy's kind of dead. Next one is this pink one. I want to see what it is. So, oh. Okay. Try not to rip it here. Look at that. Why is it so hard to open? Man, I made these things so hard to open. Okay, come on. Okay, finally. Oh yeah, I forgot this one's a fish. Fish. Hello there. Oh. There we go. I love its little thingamabob because it's cool. Both rare, so I'm gonna open them. Oh my gosh. They're both very hard. They're not like a squishy or anything. Oh, it's a Rubik's Cube. That's why. Okay, the dog is very noisy. And yes, she was up on the counter. Okay, this Rubik's Cube. That is unsolved, of course, because I do not know how to solve these. Okay, next is this one. You can kind of see it back here, so that's why, because I'm only showing you this part. I seriously forgot what this thing is called. So yeah, but I like them. Oh my gosh. Is it? I don't know what it's called. I was like, is it? No, never mind. I just don't.
Fidget cube.
Okay, yep, thanks. That's what I thought it was. I was like, is it a fidget cube? I really like these things, but terrible to put in school. And if you do bring these to school, only use these or this or this one. If you do bring them to school. But if you're at recess, you can be like, oh yeah, favorite toy. Okay. What's next? Ultra rare. This one's ultra rare. You can kind of see that it's pink. Remember what it is? Actually, I kind of know what it is. Kind of don't. Oh yeah, this one's a good one. A good one. It's a little piggy. A good little piggy mochi. I love pigs. Not to eat. Okay, now this one is legendary. Okay, yeah. I was making sure you did not see it. Okay, there we go. Now you can see it. Look. Boom. That's why, because I didn't want you to see it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Try not to ruin this thing. This thing is so good. Oh my gosh. Get off of me. This thing is so good. It's hard to squish though. It's kind of like a dough ball feeling. It's so good. Look at that collection of fidgets that I unboxed for you. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay home. Peace, subscribe.